my name is Alexandre. I'm working at Revolut as a sales manager on the French market for 3 years now, and I've had the bootcamp with Wagon on UX UI through a partnership with my university. Basically, I've decided to go with the courses at Wagon with my university because it was, in my opinion, a great opportunity to learn more about some technical knowledge that I could add to my financial background. And so, yeah, basically, I've decided to follow up this path, to learn more. Yeah, so basically, when I joined the courses at Wagon, it was more about UX and UI, so really like the basis of programmation. And it was mainly due to the fact that many people around me did like the bootcamp with Wagon, and I've heard a lot of positive stuff. And so I knew that I needed to have also some skills, some technical skills for my potential new situation, especially in sales, where I have to talk with a lot of CTOs. And it's always good, like to have, to be able to speak with them, to have the same vocabulary, and to answer potential issues that they could have. Day to day, I use this skill directly with the customers I could have, knowing that I'm handling like big customers all over the world, and some of them have some technical issues, or sometimes, for example, they can talk to me about APIs and stuff like this, and it's good for me to be able to answer directly their need without having to ask my technical team. I would say that basically being able to understand like what's the main issues that some of the CTOs I'm dealing with might face as issues is good for me, because I can give like the beginning of an answer, and then I can redirect directly if it's too technical for me to the person in charge. Yeah, I'm gaining both credibilities and time. Yeah, I think, like when you're in sales, it's always good to show your customer that he can trust you, especially in my domain in banking, it's like super important. Maybe it's like the most important. And so the fact that they can talk to someone that is able to answer like some technical questions that they might have is for sure something super beneficial. I would say that following asynchronous courses with Wagon was something completely new for me. I was quite young, I have to say. And it was, I was quite impressed by like how good the follow-up was with these asynchronous courses. And also what I figured out is that at the end of these courses, even though it was asynchronous, I already had some technical and very concrete skills that I was able to put in place. For example, I remember that they asked me to build a website from A to Z using both UX and UI, and that's something I thought 2 months ago was impossible to do. So yeah, I was quite amazed and pleased with that. So in terms of mindset, I would say maybe that it's both things. First, it was just good for me to understand a bit more how this world, like with all the programmation and this technical stuff that can seem very strange for someone that never worked with that, that it was actually not that difficult when you spend some time and when you have the good formation to it. And in terms of mindset purely, I would say being super rigorous, going back to what you've already see, trying to understand, trying to deep search. So also, intellectually speaking, that was like super interesting thing to do. A bit of math too. That was something that I was missing a bit in my courses. So yeah. The fact that Wagon is super like solution-oriented is something that I use on a daily basis. In my job, it's super important to be what we call street smart, meaning being able, like you have an issue, you need to find a solution, and whatever the way you get it, as long as it is ethical, obviously, you need to go through it. And I think, yeah, like the asynchronous courses that I had definitely helped me through that. Thanks to Wagon, I would say that I built up my network. For example, the past 2 jobs that I've had during the interviews, the interviewer was super happy that I've had done the courses with Wagon, because the first one did it and then he built his startup. So I think that was pretty cool and pretty nice for me to say that I had the asynchronous courses. And the second one, he had some friends of him that had Wagon courses. I think it was the Bootcamp. And so again, it was a good thing for the interviews to change it to a discussion. And it's always good when you're meeting up with some people. And maybe some also, like another example that I could give you, it's definitely with some clients I've had. Basically, whenever they have like technical questions, as I said, but for them, it's super strange to see like someone with a financial background like I have, being able to talk with them on some specific stuff that they have. And again, it's a great way to build trust. Yeah, so I think I've heard Le Wagon in different ways. Potentially, the first way would be like through YouTube. I'm pretty sure I was already interested in knowing more about programmation, since I know like nowadays it's something super important to know or being able to discuss again with some people. Also, all my friends have an engineering background, and so I wanted to be being able to talk with them. But mostly it was through people I know that had the bootcamp and told me only like amazing stuff about Le Wagon. And so when my university said that we were having a partnership with you, like I was super excited to take it. And I know like places were limited, so I just went into it.